What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am so excited to finally announce that we are going to be trying the star drink today. So this drink was supposed to come out actually a while back, but due to everything that was going on in the world it got pushed back a lot, and I made sure I would call my Starbucks every day and find out when I would get to try this drink for you guys, and I'm so excited to finally announce it's today that we get to go. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas to future, don't forget to subscribe, and then let's go finally try the star drink we've been trying to try for months now. Can I also get a tall star drink, please? I was nervous he was gonna tell me that they still weren't available because on the menu it still says that they don't have it right now. So I was scared they were gonna tell me they didn't have it, but they do. So that's exciting.
Hey, how are you doing, Hannah?
Good.
Glad to hear. It's $7.99.
I'm gonna do whatever's on there. And
Have you tried them yet?
No.
First time?
Yes.
Fun.
I'm so excited.
Great one.
You as well.
See ya.
Bye. We have the drinks. Let me put them down before I crash. Okay guys, here we have the star drink, which is basically the kiwi refresher with, I believe it's just coconut milk in here. I'm not really sure, but it's called the star drink. I just tried the refresher. I will put it in the description below or around the screen here. If you want to go see and check that out first, definitely go ahead. And I'm not going to give you any spoilers, but we're going to go ahead and try this one. It is so pretty. The color is like, it kind of looks like the pineapple matcha one. Was that the drink? I don't know, but it's lighter. It's really pretty. So I'm not going to make you guys wait any longer, and let's go ahead and try it. Oh, I don't know how I feel. Like, there's a second there I liked it, and there's a second I didn't. I don't know how to feel about that. Because, like, it's good, but then it gets weird. I don't know. Probably not. Because it's good at first. It hits you with that, like, the good sweetness. And then at the end, it's, like, the bad aftertaste, and you're like... So, I'm going to have to give this one a 6 out of 10 because it's not terrible. Like I said, it's good in the beginning and then it gets bad. But I had such high hopes for this drink, and I'm sad that it disappointed me. It's very, very sad. So, I would love to know what you guys think of this drink. If you've tried it already, definitely tell me down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Everybody's taste buds are different. Everybody's likings are different. So like I said, I would love to know your thoughts on this drink. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry it took so long to get here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below. Comment down below video ideas future. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.